Whenever we have to find if a number is divisible by another number, we use division method to check whether the remainder is 0 or not. But we can directly find out if a number is divisible by another number by using test of divisibility. If we use test of divisibility, then we need not to perform the actual division. So let us discuss test of divisibilities of different numbers. To check if a number is divisible by 2, we check the rightmost digit of that number. That means the digit which is at ones place. If that digit is even digits are the digits which are divisible by 2, like 2, 4, 6 and 8. All these digits are even digits as they are divisible by 2, or if it is 0. So we can also write 0 here, which means if at the ones place there is 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 0 in any number, means any of these digits are there, then that number is divisible by 2. So let us check the divisibility of 2 in the given numbers. First number is 2508. So you can see at ones place the digit is 8. So ones digit is 8. Now 8 is an even number, which means it is divisible by 2. Therefore 2508 is divisible by 2. Now in the next question, the digit at ones place is 5. So here ones digit is 5. Now 5 is an odd digit, or you can say it is an odd number. Therefore it is not divisible by 2. Therefore 3915 is not divisible by 2. So in this way we can check whether a number is divisible by 2 or not. To check if a number is divisible by 3, we have to find the sum of its digit, and if that sum is divisible by 3, then you can say that the number is also divisible by 3. Let's check the divisibility of 3 in the given numbers. First number is 2409. So what we have to do, we just have to add all the digits of this number. So you can see 2 plus 4 plus 0 plus 9. So 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 0 6, 6 plus 9 15. Sum of these digits is 15. We know that 15 is divisible by 3. So if the sum is divisible by 3, which means 2409 is divisible by 3. Now in the next number 6708, we have to add these digits. So 6 plus 7 plus 0 plus 8. 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 0 13, and 13 plus 8 will be equals to 21. Now again we know that 3 sevens are 21, which means 21 is divisible by 3. So if the sum is divisible by 3, which means 6708 is divisible by 3. To check the divisibility of 4, we check the number formed by the two rightmost digit. That means the digit at ones place and tens place. If the number formed by these two digits is divisible by 4, then the whole given number will be divisible by 4. Let us check the divisibility of 4 in the given numbers. First number is 5836. Here we have 6 at ones place and 3 at tens place. So the number formed using these two digits is 36. Now we know 4 nines are 36, which means 36 is divisible by 4. So if the number formed by the two rightmost digits is divisible by 4, this means that this whole number, that is 5836, is also divisible by 4. The next number is 9862. Here we have 2 at ones place and 6 at tens place. Therefore, number formed using these two digits is 62. Now, when you will divide 62 by 4, 2 will be the remainder, as 62 is not divisible by 4. So, here 62 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, if the number formed by two rightmost digit is not divisible by 4, this means that the whole number 9862 is not divisible by 4. To check if a number is divisible by 5, we have to see the digit at its ones place. If the digit given at the ones place is either 5 or 0, then that number is divisible by 5. So you can see in the first number 1555, the digit at ones place is 5. So here ones digit is 5. Therefore, 1055 is divisible by 5. Now, in the next number, you can see for 4100, the digit at ones place is 0. So, here ones digit is 0. Therefore, this number 4100 is also divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 6 if the number is even and the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Now you can see here that if a number is even, that means the number is divisible by 2, which means that if a number is divisible by 6, that number has to be divisible by 2 also. And the next condition is that its sum of the digits should be divisible by 3, which means the number should also be divisible by 3. Therefore, a number which is divisible by 6 should be divisible by 2 as well as 3. Therefore, we have to check the divisibility of 2 and 3 both to find the number if it is divisible by 6 or not. So, let's check the divisibility of the given numbers. The first number is 59,730. Look at the digit given at its ones place. The digit is 0. So, ones digit is 0. Now, if the ones digit is 0, which means number or this 59,730 is divisible by 2. Now we have to find the sum of all the digits. So 5 plus 9 plus 7 plus 3 plus 0. So 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 3, 24 plus 0, it will be equals to 24. Now you know that 24 is divisible by 3, which means that 59,730 is divisible by 3. Now this number is divisible by 2 as well as by 3 also, which means that 59,730 is divisible by 6 also. The next number is 83,652. So here the ones digit is 2. So ones digit is 2. It is an even number. So 83,652 is divisible by 2. Now we have to check the divisibility of 3. So add all the digits. 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2. So 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 5, 22, and 22 plus 2, 24. Again we got the sum equals to 24, which is divisible by 3. So 24 is divisible by 3, which means that 83,652 is divisible by 3. Therefore, the number is divisible by 2 and the number is also divisible by 3, which means 83,652 is divisible by 6 also.